Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The any type in Python is part of the typing module, which provides a way to specify that a variable, function argument, or return value can be of any type. This is particularly useful in situations where you want to create functions or data structures that can handle multiple types without being too restrictive. Overview of any use case. The primary use case for any is when you want to allow for flexibility in types. For example, you might have a function that can accept integers, strings, lists, or even user-defined objects. Type checking. When using any, type checkers and linters will not enforce type checks, which means that any type is accepted. This can lead to less strict type checking, but it also allows for greater flexibility. Example of using any. Let's look at a simple example that demonstrates the use of any in a function that can accept different types of arguments. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing any. We import any from the typing module. This allows us to specify that the data parameter can be of any type. 2. Defining the function. The function process_data takes a single argument data of type any. 3. Type checking. Inside the function, we use isInstance to check the type of data. If data is an int, we double it and return a specific message. If data is a str, we convert it to uppercase and return a specific message. If data is a list, we return the number of items in the list. If data doesn't match any of the expected types, we return a message indicating that the type is unsupported. For testing the function, we call process_data with different types of arguments, an integer, a string, a list, and a float, to see how the function handles each case. When to use any. You should use any when you are writing generic functions that need to accept multiple types. You want to avoid strict type checking in certain parts of your code. You are dealing with data structures that can hold various types, like heterogeneous lists. Considerations. Using any can lead to less descriptive and less safe code, as it removes the benefits of type checking. It's a trade-off between flexibility and safety. If you can be more specific about the types you expect, example using union to specify multiple specific types, it's often better to do so for better readability and maintainability. Conclusion. The any type in Python is a powerful tool that allows for flexibility in your code. It is best used judiciously, balancing the need for flexibility with the benefits of type safety. By using any, you can create functions that handle a variety of types gracefully.